I know you're looking for someone different, for someone who have the experience to show you something new. Well, it's really difficult to show in words what we are all about. Okay, yes, I had a chance to go to hell and came back, and I learned many things. But the most important thing is equanimity. To be able to work with the darkness of the mind and with the light of the gods. Here at the Jardín del Edén, I can show you how to come out from hell and live in heavens. I can show you, I can walk along with you step by step and lead you into victory, into peace, into bliss and love.